Hi, Jennifer. This is Shelly, your instructor. Let's go ahead and go through the ones you got incorrect through video. So great job on number 1 and number 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. All right, so unfortunately, this is advanced coding, and as I stated in the syllabus, if you do not add the decimal, it'll be counted wrong. Just a couple of different reasons. Remember, we are in advanced coding, and with that, this takes time for it to get to come back. It has to be reprocessed, claim scrubber. So it's just good to get in the habit right now to remember that decimal. It is very, very important. Okay, so the biggest one here, the correct code is H90.5. And I've had another student do this too. Um, you're just coding hearing loss is the code that you have. We need the sensorineural hearing loss. So let's just go ahead and put it in H90.5. So right there's the keyword that we need. Okay, and the one that you have is going to be unspecified. So with that is unspecified hearing loss, unspecified ear. So we do know what type it is. So again, we need to be specific on that. Again, with this one, you don't have the decimal point, which makes a huge deal in advanced coding. And the very last one you had here, remember we need to take that relative weight, which is 1.902, and we need to times it by the hospital base rate, which gives us, we round it up, which gives us the 8,000. So yes, the MSDRG 640. Now the Medicare reimbursement is what we have here, but again, we are looking for what the hospital can charge for that. So we're looking for the one patient. That's why we have to put it into the equation. So it's just a step that a few students missed. If you have any questions, please let me know.